Talking stick fighting today, I'm going to teach you a move. In my martial arts journey, I like to know that things are practical. Can I use a technique anywhere outside of this studio? Tournaments, testings, self-defense, will this work in every aspect of the martial arts journey that we do? And I believe the stick fighting portion of this works very well with testings, with tournament traditional weapons, and tournament sparring, stick fighting, and then with self-defense. If you could find a something around that can represent a 2-foot stick, then you can use it to defend yourself. And we have moves that do that. Okay, so I'm going to roll this into a self-defense situation. Now, this is more of a competition style move, but it works really good with self-defense too. Okay, and this move is called the Cobra, and I'll probably put that in the thumbnail too. Cobra strike. That would be a good one. Okay, so what we're going to do is first I'm going to show you the stance. Okay, and this is going to be called the power stance when you have a stick in your hand. Okay, so power stance is your lead arm hand with the weapon in it, and then your lead leg are going to be in front. Okay, this is going to give you the most reach. This is going to give you the most power and the speed to execute your strikes in. Now you can switch your feet if you want, but this is a weaker stance, and you're not going to have as much reach. You will have some power because you can turn your hips in, but you just won't have the reach, and the speed is not going to be quite there like it would with that power. Okay, so in the front, go ahead and mirror me. If you guys are right-handed, go ahead, look at your screen, and this should be your right side. Okay, so your right hand is in front, your right leg is in front. Okay, lefties, left hand is in front, left foot is in front. Right? Okay, so pretty easy there. All right, so now what we're going to do is now we're going to learn what's called a fan strike or a block. You can block with this one, but this is going to be more or less a what's called a fan strike. And first time I'll do it in the camera towards you guys. So with your strike, you're going to put it up over your head, and you're going to make sure that your fan is over your head, and you're going to turn, strike, and then strike. We're going to go just one time this way. So strike, so towards your back and turn, and this is going to be a fake for right now. So we're going to fake to our opponent. We're going to fake because what we're going to want them to do is when that object is coming towards them, we want them to, like, if they have, a stick themselves, hands up, something like that, we want them to, focus on what's coming at their head, and it's going to create a jerk motion of like, oh, what's coming, eyes are going to be closed, things like that. So we're going to fake this way, and then we're going to come around and either go head, midsection body, or legs. Okay, so we have three points of contact on their opposite side that we have. Okay, now we have 3 points of fake on this side, so we can go fake to the head, fake to the body, or fake to the legs, and then we can come around and we can mix match any combination that we want. Okay, but just for this particular drill, let's just go ahead, fake to the head, and then strike the body I'll leave this side up to you guys. Whatever feels good. I kind of lean more towards the legs, because the legs hold up the body, and I don't know, it just seems more of, I have kind of a dip motion anyways, where I want to kind of duck down and like kind of get out of the way. If you kind of stay up here, it works, but I just feel a little sticky, like my I don't move as clean as if I fake high and then go low. Okay, but leave it up to you guys. I'm gonna kind of experiment with this if you want. Okay, now when you're coming around this way, okay, you're going to jump off your back leg, and then you're going to kind of move 45-degree angle that way, and I'll kind of switch up the camera here for you, so you guys can see where, kind of get a better angle at this. Okay, so we're here, we're going to fake, and then we're going to jump and then strike. Okay, so again, fake and then jump and then strike. All right, let me go this side now. Okay, so our fake is going to go 45-degree angle to the opponent this way. Okay, so we're in front of the opponent. We're going to come here. We're going to fake, because their body is going to go this way now. Okay, so remember, they're already anticipating something here. They're trying to block it. Boom, and then you can strike their legs, mid, or head that way. All right. Let me do one more to have the back towards me, so you guys can kind of see it now this way. So I'm a lefty, so this is going to be your guys' left hand, but you're going to be going this direction if you're a righty. So let me see if I can do it. So here, and then you're going to step and then come down. Okay, hope you got that. I'm not good at that side, but you guys get it in front there. So this is the left side. Fake, and then here. Okay. Now I'll do it this way for you guys for the right-handed. Here we go. Last time. So you guys can see at least the weapon here. Okay, I'm going to fake this way and then go to that 45-degree angle this way. Okay, one more time. So I'm going to fake the fan strike, and then I'm going to come around, knee, mid, or head. Okay, so fake head, fake body, fake legs, and there you go. All right, so for self-defense, this would probably be pretty aggressive, but if the attacker has a knife, has another stick, has some sort of weapon, bat, then I would say, golf club, whatever it is, like, I would say this would probably be a good one to use if you have something like a stick hanging around or something like that. I would probably say this would be the proper tool to use for that self-defense situation if your attacker is armed. All right. So with that being said, if you made it this far, thank you so much. I absolutely appreciate it. Go ahead. If you have any questions, go ahead, comment down below. Like and subscribe. Till next time, train hard, train smart. See you in the next one.